Have you ever heard of a beauty secret that is very old? This secret comes from simple kitchens. It has been used for many, many years, especially in Asian countries. Women there have known about its wonders for a long, long time. They used it to keep their hair long, strong, and shiny. They also used it to make their skin soft and beautiful. This amazing secret is rice water. It is gentle, it is natural, and it can help you look and feel good. It truly is a gift from nature for your beauty. So, what exactly is this magical rice water we speak of? It is not complicated at all. It is simply the starchy water that is left behind after you soak rice. Or, it can be the water left after you boil rice. Imagine, something so simple can be so full of goodness for you. This milky white liquid might look plain, but it holds many nutrients that rice releases into the water. These nutrients are what make rice water so special. It's a wonderful example of how nature provides simple solutions for our care. Why is everyone talking about rice water now, in this modern age? Well, many people today are looking for natural ways to care for themselves. We want beauty products that are safe and do not have harsh chemicals. Rice water is exactly that. It is pure and comes from a food we all know. Plus, it is very cheap to make. You do not need to spend lots of money on fancy creams or hair masks. You can make this beauty treatment right in your own home. It's a return to simpler, kinder ways of beauty. This idea of using rice water fits so well with a natural skincare way of life. We believe that nature gives us what we need. We do not always need complex things for beauty. Gentle care can be very powerful. Rice water shows us this. It cleans, it soothes, it helps to heal. It does all these things softly without causing harm. Using rice water is a lovely way to connect with old traditions. It is also a way to be kind to your skin, your hair, and our earth. When you look at rice water, you might think it is just cloudy water, but it is so much more than that. This gentle liquid is packed with many good things. These good things come from the rice itself. As the rice sits in water, it releases these treasures. These are the vitamins, minerals, and other tiny helpers. They all work together to benefit your hair and your skin. Think of it as a special drink that rice makes for your beauty. It is a natural gift, full of nourishment and care, ready for you to use. Let's talk about some of the important vitamins found in rice water. It contains B vitamins. One special B vitamin is called inositol. Inositol is wonderful for hair. It can help to repair damaged hair. It can also help to keep hair strong from the inside. Rice water also has some vitamin E. Vitamin E is known as a skin-loving vitamin. It helps to protect your skin. It also helps to keep your skin soft and smooth. These vitamins are like little protectors and healers for your hair and skin, working gently. Besides vitamins, rice water also gives us important minerals. These include minerals like magnesium. Zinc is another mineral present. Selenium can also be found in this amazing water. These minerals play different roles. Some help to calm the skin, others might help with hair growth or strength. Rice water also contains amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Your hair and skin need proteins to be healthy and strong. So, these amino acids are very helpful indeed for their structure and vitality. And there is more goodness. Rice water has antioxidants. One important antioxidant is ferulic acid. Antioxidants are like little soldiers. They fight against bad things called free radicals. Free radicals can damage your skin and make it look older. So, antioxidants help to protect your skin. Rice water also contains something called allantoin. Allantoin is known for its soothing properties. It helps to calm irritated skin. It also helps the skin to heal. It is truly a complete package from nature. Let's first discover the wonderful things rice water can do for your hair. If you dream of having hair that is strong and flows beautifully, rice water can be your friend. It is a traditional secret used for centuries by women renowned for their long, healthy hair. This simple, milky liquid coats your hair strands with its goodness. It works gently but effectively. It helps to improve the health of your hair from the roots to the very tips. Imagine your hair feeling softer and looking more vibrant, all thanks to this natural rinse derived from humble rice grains. So, what specific magic does rice water perform on your tresses? It is known to strengthen hair. The inositol we talked about earlier helps to repair damage. It can penetrate the hair shaft and make it stronger from within. This means less hair breakage when you comb or brush. Rice water can also make your hair feel incredibly smooth and silky. It helps to reduce friction between the hair strands. This makes detangling much easier. Many people also notice that their hair gets a beautiful shine after using rice water. It can truly transform dull hair. Now let's see how rice water can bring a lovely glow to your skin. Just like it helps your hair, rice water is also a wonderful treat for your face and body. It is known for being very gentle. This makes it suitable for many different skin types. Even if you have sensitive skin, you might find rice water very soothing. It can be used as a natural facial cleanser or a toner. It helps to clean your skin softly. It can also help to prepare your skin for other products you might use, making them work even better. Rice water offers many benefits for your complexion. It can help to make your skin tone look more even and bright. Some people find it helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots over time. It can also make your skin feel smoother and softer to the touch. If you have large pores, rice water might help to make them look smaller. It has a mild tightening effect. And if your skin feels irritated or red, rice water can be very calming. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe discomfort and promote a healthy look. One of the best things about rice water is how incredibly easy it is to make. You do not need any special skills or fancy equipment. All you need is rice and water. It is a very cost-effective beauty treatment. You can create this wonderful natural product right in your own kitchen. Think of it as your personal mini home spa treatment. It feels good to create something beneficial with your own hands. This simple process connects you to a tradition of natural care that has been trusted for a very long time, bringing effective beauty within everyone's reach. Let's learn the most common way to make rice water, which is the soaking method. First, take about half a cup of any kind of rice. Rinse the rice once or twice with plain water. This helps to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, put the rinsed rice in a bowl. Add about 2 to 3 cups of water. Let the rice soak for at least 30 minutes. You can leave it for a bit longer, up to a couple of hours. You will see the water become cloudy. Gently swirl the rice, then strain the water into a clean bottle or jar. Your rice water is ready. There is another way to make rice water, which some people believe is even more powerful. This is called fermented rice water. To make this, you follow the same soaking steps as before. After you strain the rice water, leave it at room temperature for about 24 to 48 hours. This allows it to ferment a little. Fermentation can create more antioxidants and lower the pH, which is good for hair. It will have a slightly sour smell. If you choose this method, you might want to dilute it with a little plain water before using. Store your rice water, soaked or fermented, in the fridge for up to a week. Now that you have your homemade rice water, how do you use it? For your hair, you can use it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning. Pour it over your hair, massage it into your scalp and strands, and leave it for a few minutes, or even up to 20 minutes. Then, rinse it out with cool water. For your skin, you can use a cotton ball to apply it as a facial toner after cleansing. You can also add it to your bath water for a soothing soak. Remember to do a small patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Enjoy this simple, natural gift for your beauty, and see the wonderful results it can bring.